Good morning, students. In the last few videos, we have covered second chapter of your EVS book, that is My Body. In that chapter, we already covered your sense organs and our external and internal part of our body, and how our body parts work, how many parts are inside our body and how many parts are outside of your body. Okay, so we have covered all these things. Now we are going one step forward in the same chapter, but chapter name is changed. That is third one chapter of your book, but it is directly related to your body, because in the last video you have discussed the organs of your body, how many organs you have and how many organs inside your body. Lot of things we have discussed, but in this we will discuss how our body will stay healthy and fit and fine. So few things are there, few rules and regulations are here I am telling you. And nowadays this video is too much concern for everyone, because in this video I will tell you how you keep your body neat, clean and healthy. And one more thing that we should keep in the mind, that is we have to scare germs by neatness, because without neatness you can't scare any germ inside or outside your body. And if you can't do that, if you don't do that, that means they will give you diseases in your body. So keep one thing in your mind, neatness is the most important thing if you want to stay healthy and fit life. Okay, so we will discuss few rules to how to clean your body. So first one is related to your teeth, how you keep your teeth clean. So only one option is there, you have to brush. You need to brush on the daily basis, twice in a day. Twice in a day means you need to brush your teeth 2 times in a day, one in the morning and second one in the evening. Okay, so first golden rule to stay fit is brush the teeth twice in a day. Okay, so this is very important. Before eating anything you have to brush your teeth in the morning. Okay, and before going to bed you need to brush your teeth once again, because I told you you have to brush your teeth twice in a day. The golden rule number 2 is take a bath every day. Okay, the golden rule number 2 is you need to take bath to keep fresh mind and body. Okay, if you want fresh mind, fresh brain and fresh body, you have to bath on the daily basis. Okay, and I know you all take bath, I know. The third one is flush the toilet after use. This is much more important, because we need to use, if we use toilet, this is our responsibility to clean it also. Okay, so after every use you need to flush it also. So the golden rule number 3 is this: flush the toilet after using every day. Okay, and after touching the flush button you need to wash your hand also with the soap, either with the soap or with the hand wash, which is available at your home. Okay, so flush the toilet, then clean your hands. The next one is comb your hair. Comb your hair is also good habit. When you wash your hairs, then you comb your hair with the comb. Then you need to comb your hair with the comb. Okay. Next one is, and if you have long hair, in the case of girls, after combing the hair, if you have long hair in the case of girls, you need to tie a tail. Okay, as your ma'am did today. मैम ने भी आपकी टेल बना रखी है, इसी तरीके से आपको भी अपने हेयर्स को कवर रखना है. ओके, टाई करके रखना है, ठीक है, जिससे कि वो ज्यादा टूटे नहीं. नेक्स्ट, ऑलवेज वियर क्लीन क्लॉथ्स. The golden rule number 5 is always wear neat and clean, well ironed cloth. Okay. So if you are taking bath, this is your duty to keep your cloth clean, and whatever you are wearing, that is clean too. Okay. and all the clothes which is inside of your body, which are your briefs, which are your suits, everything you need to clean it. Okay. The next one is rinse mouth after eating. So this is primary rule. If you are eating anything, after that you have to rinse your mouth. Okay. So by doing this, you can clean your mouth, and any eatable which is in the teeth, which is available in the teeth after eating, that is rinsed with the water. Okay. So you have to, this is the primary thing. You need to do this to rinse the mouth after each and every eating. Okay. The next one is cut nails. We always shorten our nails. Look the nails of your ma'am. My nails are small. Okay. These are not long. And there is no dirtiness in it. You can see clearly. So this rule you have to follow, especially in the case of kids. You always, parents also keep this thing in the mind. You always cut your nails of your ward and keep them neat and clean, because with the help through our hands, this is possibility that maybe germs go inside our body. With the help with this, if they are not clean, it means that कि कोई भी germs आपके body के अंदर जा सकता है. It is probable. Okay. So cut nails is the primary thing. Next, wash hand before eating. Whenever you eat anything, now you are listening each and everything because of corona. Lot of people are taking this disease just because they are not washing their hands. So whenever you eat anything, whenever you drink anything, whenever you touch any eatable or drinkable thing, always wash your hand before take them, before consume them. Okay. So this is the much more important thing as you are seeing nowadays, because you have to think about it every time, because if you are not washing your hand, this is it is big probability that any germ go inside your body with your fingers or with the dirty nails. So always wash your hands before eat anything. चाहे आप थोड़ा सा खा रहे हो या ज्यादा खा रहे हो, ठीक है, या किसी के साथ शेयर कर रहे हो. For example, 4 students are standing or sitting somewhere and they are eating. They already washed their hands, but after some time a friend came. अगर कोई भी नया बच्चा वहां पर आता है और वो उनके साथ शेयर करना चाहता है, तो उन्हें भी ये चीज क्लियर कर लेनी चाहिए कि उसने हैंड वॉश किए हैं या नहीं. हम लोग जैसे क्या करते हैं, खाते हैं और उसके बाद कोई भी अचानक से आता है और हमारे में से शेयर कर लेता है. आपको भी ये चीज ध्यान देनी है कि आपका जो फ्रेंड आ रहा है या जो भी आपके साथ शेयर करने आ रहा है अचानक से सडनली, तो उसके हैंड भी वॉश हो. ओके. सो दिस इज वीडियो अबाउट द नीटनेस, because neatness is much more important and the essential part of our life. If we want to stay healthy and fit in the life, we follow neatness. Okay. Thank you very much. So follow these rules, and if you find any hurdle to understand this video, you may ask personally in my window, and you may call me anytime. Okay. Thank you.